Tech Jungle. The place for you in the jungle makes you struggle.
The upcoming Windows 11 operating system is set to unveil a highly anticipated feature that will make managing compressed files even easier. Get ready for native RAR support, as Microsoft takes a significant leap forward in enhancing the built-in file handling capabilities. With native RAR support in Windows 11, gone are the days of relying on third-party applications or extracting tools to handle RAR archives. Seamlessly navigate, extract, and create RAR files directly within the native File Explorer, saving you time and effort. This exciting addition is a game-changer for users who frequently work with compressed files. Whether you need to extract files from a downloaded RAR archive or compress multiple files into a convenient package, Windows 11 has you covered with its native RAR support. By integrating this functionality directly into the operating system, Microsoft is streamlining the file management experience and eliminating the need for additional software installations. This not only enhances convenience but also ensures a more secure and reliable handling of RAR files. Furthermore, the introduction of native RAR support showcases Microsoft's commitment to continually improving the Windows experience. It demonstrates their responsiveness to user feedback and the desire to provide a robust and user-friendly operating system that meets the evolving needs of its users. So, get ready to embrace the power of native RAR support in Windows 11. Say goodbye to the hassle of installing third-party tools and welcome a seamless and integrated approach to managing your compressed files. Experience a more efficient and productive workflow as Windows 11 sets a new standard in file handling capabilities. For more videos like this, the only thing you need to do is like and subscribe. And if you like this video, you may consider watching these videos in the outro. See you in the next one.